Hi, Faceless Brother here. So we took two trades today, and there is one lesson that every serious trader needs to hear. That is what we'll be speaking about today, especially if you're in a red streak. Let's dive in. So two trades, Apple and Tesla, and total P&L of minus 78.99. So trade one, Apple. Apple was setting up to break the low of the day. So we entered short at the new low with a risk above the moving averages. But the trade failed. We got stopped out. Now, here's what happened next, right? So usually what happens is the emotion kicks in. Then, like I did see the price squeezing, like everyone out, including me. There was a thought to trade the squeeze because I knew this setup is like a squeeze setup, but is it really my setup? No. So I asked myself, is this my setup? If I win, would that trade make me a successful trader? Just asking these type of questions, it helps to bring your mind back into the zone. Okay, and that's the difference between reacting emotionally and trading professionally, guys. So let's keep that in mind. Okay, so trade to Tesla was rejected at the pre-market level. It looked weak. We entered short at the new low, anticipating a dump towards the pre-market low, but the price, it did move a little bit, and then price bounced back and we exited near the break even as per our rule. So what is the lesson and what is the mindset we should carry? Let's talk about the red streaks. Okay, so they test your patience. That's what they do. They test your patience. They create doubt. They push you to review every chart. You feel like, oh, I'm missing something. I need to look at the chart one more time, two more times, three more times, every trade. And worst of all, it tempts you to tweak your system. And here's where most traders go wrong. They use P&L as their measuring stick. Let me say this very clearly. Stop looking at the P&L. Stop using P&L to evaluate your strategy. It's the last thing you should be looking at or using. Your real metric is positive expectancy. That's the only number that tells you if your edge is functioning over time. Not a green day, not a red day, not one trade, but a series of well executed trades. Okay. That's why you always need to focus on series, not individual trade. And traders usually fail at this exact moment when they see this red trades, red days, they revenge trade, strategy hop, over trade, break rules, whatnot. Why? Because they are addicted. I was addicted to short term gratification. But here's the truth: a disciplined mind doesn't fall for all these illusionary traps. Okay, you get to know this is illusion, you start respecting the system, you start rejecting the short term craving, and you start trusting the long term process. And when you do this, you don't have to chase the money, it'll just follow you. Okay, that's it for today's recap. If this helps shift your mindset, please subscribe, follow us on Twitter at Faceless Brothers for more daily trade and discipline lessons. Remember, edge plays out over a series, not a single day. Trade your plan, respect your rules, stay disciplined, and I will see you guys tomorrow.